Students, today we are going to understand third part of the chapter, The Last Lesson by Alphonse Daudet. In this chapter, we know very well that the story is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War. The French district of Alsace and Lorraine were captured by Germans. Okay, and we know very well that Franco-Prussian War was held in the year 1871. What happened over there when French district of Alsace and Lorraine were captured by Germans. Okay, because in Franco-Prussian War, we know very well that Prussia then consisted of what now are the nations of Germany, Poland, and parts of Austria. So over there, two districts of France were captured by Germans, and the new master was to come the next day in a school in Alsace to teach German in place of French. So this story tells the effect of this news on life at a school in Alsace. We have already completed page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, and today we have to start from second para of page number 5. And I would like to, prior to it, I would like to give a recap of the chapter. What? That the narrator of the story is a young school going boy named French, and we have come to know that that morning he was scared as he was late for school. Also, as their teacher Am Hamel had announced the previous day that he would test them on the topic of participles, and French did not know anything at all, so he was more scared of being scolded. So we know very well that French did not want to go to school. French did not want to go to school. In the last day of their French teacher Am Hamel, who has been there for 40 years, okay, we have come to know is full of grief, nostalgia, and patriotism. Okay, and as a mark of respect to his hard work, the village men also attend his last lesson. They are said as they did not learn their mother tongue French in their childhood. We have come to know when French reached at a school, he is shocked to know that it is his last lesson as he does not know French. Now suddenly he gets interested in learning it and understands everything taught on that day. All of a sudden, he has developed an instant liking for the teacher Am Hamel and respects him for his sincerity and hard work. Okay, fine. And over here, we have come to know that he feels sad. He feels sad at departing from Am Hamel, and is ashamed for not being able to recite the lesson of participles. Means जब teacher ने Am Hamel ने उसको बोला कि it's your turn to recite something, so French over there would like to give a tribute to his teacher, we can say. Okay, because Am Hamel was going forever from Alsace, but he got confused in the first word. We have already cleared it. He got confused in the first word. So from here we have to start. I heard Am Hamel say to me, I won't scold you, little French. You must feel bad enough. See how it is. Every day we have said to ourselves, bah, I have plenty of time. I will learn it tomorrow. And now you see where we have come out. Where we have come out means result. That's the great trouble with Alsace. She puts off learning till tomorrow. And over there, now those fellows out there will have the right to say to you, how is it? How is it? Why? Because you pretend to be Frenchmen, and yet you can neither speak nor write your own language. But you are not the worst, poor little French. We have all a great deal to reapproach ourselves with. So over here, when teacher asked French to means recite something on French language. So French was not able to speak, not able to recite anything. Okay, and he felt over there very means sad over there, because as the news had impacted French, he was eager to study, and so he was desperate to show his eagerness. He wanted to be able to recite the topic in one go and without any mistake and please his teacher. His desperation is reflected in his willingness to give away all that he had in return for reciting the lesson well. But as French did not know the lesson, so he got confused and stood quietly. His heart was beating. Why? Because he thought that Am Hamel would beat him. He thought Am Hamel would beat him. Am Hamel would scold him. Am Hamel would beat him. Am Hamel would scold him, as he was ashamed of himself and did not have the courage to face his teacher. Then we have come to know I heard means Am Hamel. Am Hamel spoke over there and French heard. I heard Am Hamel say to me, I want to scold you little French, because teacher knew very well that it was his last lesson and it was of no use to scold little French. So he told that Am Hamel said to French that he would not scold him, as now he had realized his mistake. Every day, French told himself. Means see how it is every day we have said to ourselves, bah, I have plenty of time, I will learn it tomorrow. So teacher spoke over here. Every day French told himself that he would study the next day. And now the opportunity to study had ended and he knew nothing. So teacher spoke over there. That's a great trouble with Alsace. She puts off learning till tomorrow. Means Am Hamel says that all the people of Alsace district were to be blamed, as no one was serious towards learning. He tells the class that how is it you pretend to be Frenchman. Means he told that how is it अब कैसा फील करोगे, यू वुड लाइक टू शो योर सेल्फ एज अ फ्रेंचमैन, कि तुम शो क्या कर रहे हो कि तुम फ्रेंचमैन हो. ओके, ही टेल्स द क्लास दैट द एनिमीज वुड लाफ एट देम, कि नाउ जर्मन्स वुड लाफ एट यू. वाई जर्मन्स वुड लाफ एट यू? बिकॉज that they only show to be Frenchmen, as they can neither speak nor write their own language. Because you would pretend to be as a Frenchman, but you don't know how to speak, how to write French language. So he says that French means, but you are not the worst, poor little French. We all have a great deal to reproach ourselves with. Reproach means blame over here. Okay, so he says that French should not feel guilty. French should not feel guilty, because as everyone is at fault. Now in this paragraph, Am Hamel would blame himself and French people for not learning French language on time. So your parents were not anxious enough to have you learn. They preferred to put you to work on a farm or at the mill so as to have a little more money. And I have been to blame also. Have I not often sent you to water my flowers instead of learning your lessons? And when I wanted to go fishing, did I not just give you a holiday? So over here, Am Hamel says that French parents were not interested in getting him educated. They wanted him to work at a farm or a mill and earn some money. He says that as a teacher, he was also not interested in teaching them. He would send them to his home to water plants. Sometimes he would declare a holiday and go for fishing. So Am Hamel has started blaming everyone. Now means he blamed himself, then French parents, and it's not only about French parents, means Frenchmen, all the Frenchmen are to be blamed over here. Then from one thing to another, M. Hamel went on to talk of the French language. Fine. Saying that it was the M. Hamel. Then from blaming he came to appreciate French language. M. Hamel praises their mother tongue French language. Means on the last day he is creating a feel of patriotism. It shows over here. लास्ट डे एम हैमल जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स में फ्रेंचमैन में पेट्रोटिज्म को फील को मीन्स ही वुड लाइक टू डेवलप सो दैट फ्रेंच मैन Alsace and Lorraine people of Alsace and Lorraine would not forget their language. So it was his aim over there. That's why M. Hamel went on to talk of the French language, saying that it was the most beautiful language in the world, the clearest, the most logical, that we must guard it among us and never forget it. See, it is the feel of patriotism. How can we say it? For Indians, which is the most you can say logical, beautiful language in the world? That is Hindi. Fine. For Germans, Germany, it is German language. Fine. So M. Hamel would like to raise a feel of patriotism over there, and that's why he supported French language, that French language as being the most beautiful, logical, clearest language in the world. And he tells the class to guard their language, as it is the only way to free oneself from the prison of slavery. And we have the example of it. As Indians during Indian independence, we can say that Indians were stuck to Hindi language, and that was the main reason. Swadeshi Apnao, okay, fine, and Hindi language, that was the main reason. Otherwise we would never get freedom from the slavery, from the Britishers clutch. So same thing is over here, that we must guard it among us and never forget it. Because when a people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. Now see over here, I would like to tell you that a people, we know very well that a people is never used, but a people is referred to here country. Fine. So M. Hamel says over there that language is the only way to free oneself from the prison of slavery. If a person knows his mother tongue well, no one can enslave him. Knowing the mother tongue well as a language is a tool to fight domination. Fine. Then he opened a grammar and read us our lesson. I was amazed to see how well I understood it. All he said seemed so easy. I think too that I had never listened to so carefully. All he said seemed so easy. I think too that I had never listened so carefully, and that he had never explained. Means I had never listened so carefully, and that he had never explained everything with so much patience. It seemed almost as if the poor man wanted to give us all he knew before going away, and to put it all into our heads at one stroke. So after praising French language, M. Hamel had started some teaching source of. The teacher took a lesson in the grammar. That day French was surprised that he understood the lesson with ease. Why? He felt that he had been attentive, and that M. Hamel also explained the lesson with a lot of patience. French felt that the teacher wanted to give them all the knowledge he had before leaving. So from blaming, then teacher has started appreciation of the French language. Then he took a grammar book and he taught them grammar lesson, and then he would provide them writing book to write France and Alsace. So what is this talk shows? Actually, his patriotism, M. Hamel's patriotism is reflected in the praise for the French language as being the most beautiful and most logical language in the world. He tells the class to guard their language as being close to one's language is the key to escape him from the prison of slavery. And for that reason, he knew it very well that this language would help French people in getting free from the German. And for that reason, he would like to make them realize the importance of living their mother tongue and that they have been defeated by Germans because of their illiteracy. And for that reason, M. Hamel had started teaching grammar, writing part, and to inform them about the history of France. Okay, why? Because he would like to create patriotism feel in them so that they would never allow themselves, so they would never allow their hearts and soul to be slave of the Germans people. It was the basic reason, and that's why he put all his efforts to teach them French language on his last day. Whatever he had tried all his level best to give them. Fine. So I have already sent long question to you in my previous PDF. 3 questions were there, and now today I'll send more long questions to you. I hope that you all are completing your tasks on time, and if any query is with me, you can send your query on Scholars ERP or to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.